If you are still paying monthly fees for premium AI voices, you are basically setting your money on fire. Seriously, you have ElevenLabs taking $20 a month. Then you have OpenAI charging you for every single word. By the end of the year, you have spent enough to buy a used car, but all you have is a folder of MP3 files. It is painful. But today, I am reviewing a new tool called OneVoice AI. It claims to give you access to every single top-tier voice engine in the world. We are talking Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and yes, even ElevenLabs. And the kicker? They claim there are no monthly fees? Is it the deal of the decade or just another shiny object that breaks in a week? Let's find out. Hey everyone, this is Kamal from testedapps.com. I have been in the affiliate marketing trenches for over 6 years now. I test the software, I break the tools, and I read the fine print so you don't have to. My goal is simple. I want to help you find the tools that actually make money and avoid the junk that just collects digital dust. Today, we are doing a deep dive, honest review of OneVoice AI. No fluff, no hype, just real results. Before we get into the dashboard, I have a quick heads up. If you decide this tool is right for you, grab it through the link in the description below. I have put together a custom bonus package exclusive to my audience. These bonuses are designed to help you actually get traffic to the videos you make with this tool. Check the description for the full breakdown. AI. So what exactly is OneVoice AI? Think of it as the Netflix of voice generation. Usually you have to log into 5 different websites to find the right voice. You go to ElevenLabs for realistic narration, you go to Google Cloud for fast text-to-speech, you go to OpenAI for conversational tones. It's a mess of passwords and subscriptions. OneVoice AI is a cloud-based dashboard that connects to all of them at once. It aggregates the best premium models into one single interface. It's designed for affiliate marketers, YouTubers, and agencies who need high-quality audio without the technical headaches. The main promise here is simple. Access the world's best voices for a one-time price. I know what you're thinking. Is it complicated? Do I need a PhD in computer science to use it? Nope, it's actually 3 dead simple steps. Step 1, you log into the cloud dashboard. There's nothing to install so it won't slow down your laptop. Step 2, you paste your script into the text box and choose your engine. You can pick from OpenAI, Azure, Amazon Poly, and more. You can even let the auto voice mode pick the best one for you. Step 3, you hit generate and export your file. It renders in seconds. Then you download it as an MP3 or WAV file. It's easier than ordering a coffee. Now let's talk about why you should actually care about this. Here are the features that move the needle for your business. First, you get multi-version access. This is huge. Software updates all the time. When ElevenLabs releases version 4 or OpenAI drops a new model, this dashboard updates automatically. You're not stuck with old tech. Second, you get a commercial license included on the front end. Most tools make you pay extra for this. With OneVoice AI, you can create voiceovers for clients and keep 100% of the profit. You can sell gigs on Fiverr or Upwork immediately. Third, it saves you from subscription hell. I hate seeing $30 charges hit my credit card every month. This tool eliminates that anxiety completely. You get studio quality narration for your video sales letters, ads, and podcasts without the recurring nightmare. Let's do some quick math. I'm an SEO guy, so I love numbers. If you go to ElevenLabs directly, their creator plan is about $22 a month. Play.ht charges nearly $40 a month for their studio plan. That's over $700 a year just for voiceovers. Right now, during the launch period, OneVoice AI is around $15, one time. That's the price of a cheap lunch. Even if you only use it for one single project, you've already saved money. The value proposition here is kind of insane. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Hello, and welcome to OneVoice AI. In this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you everything you get inside OneVoice AI, the ultimate AI voice model platform. Whether you're creating professional content, podcasts, videos, or just exploring the possibilities of AI voice, this app has you covered. OneVoice AI brings together all the top AI voice models in one place, including ElevenLabs, create ultra-realistic, human-like voices. Google Cloud, premium AI voices from Google's TTS system. Amazon Poly, lifelike text-to-speech from AWS. DeepGram Aura, advanced AI voice synthesis. Typecast, voices for streaming and storytelling. UberDuck, fun and creative. AI voices, and many more cutting-edge models. Once you log into the application, look at the left-hand side menu, where you'll see a section called OneVoice. This is your hub for everything AI voice. Here you'll find a complete list of all AI voice models, including OpenAI, ElevenLabs, Google Cloud, Amazon Poly, and more, all in one place. Let's take a closer look at some of these models in action.
Technology isn't just about faster phones or smarter apps anymore. It's about how deeply it shapes our daily lives. From AI recommending what we watch to smart homes adjusting our lights and temperature, tech quietly works in the background, making decisions before we even notice. The real power of technology lies not in how advanced it is.
Crypto is more than digital money. It's a new way of thinking about trust. Instead of relying on banks or middlemen, blockchain allows people to transact directly, securely, and transparently. While prices go up and down, the real value of crypto lies in decentralization.
Where brothers fell, no trumpet sounds, no victory bell, just ash and bone beneath my feet. The earth remembers what we did.
And that's not all. OneVoice AI continuously updates with all the newest AI voice models, so you'll always have the latest technology at your fingertips. OneVoice AI doesn't stop at just voices. You also get a full video training series to master every feature, exclusive bonuses to help you create faster and smarter 24/7 dedicated support whenever you need help. And that's your quick walkthrough of OneVoice AI. Now it's your turn. Log in, explore all the features, and start generating voices that wow your audience. With OneVoice AI, creating professional, high-quality voice content has never been easier.
Hey there, stop whatever you're doing and listen carefully. Be honest, how much money are you paying every month for AI voices? I'm guessing $100, $200, maybe even $300, and don't even tell me that's just for one AI voice model. Let's get real for a second. Right now, if you want professional AI voices, you're juggling 3, 4, 5 subscriptions. ElevenLabs for hyper-realistic narration, $99 per month. OpenAI TTS for multilingual voices, $49 per month on average. Google Cloud Text-to-Speech, $50 to $100 per month depending on usage. Amazon Poly for long-form or IVR voices, $40 to $70 per month. Resemble AI for custom brand voices, $39 to $99 per month. And don't forget licensing for commercial use, $20 to $50 per month. Add it all up, that's $300, $400, maybe even $500 a month just to generate voices every single month, forever. And for what? Different logins, different limits. One app can't speak every language. One app can't clone every voice. One app can't handle client projects efficiently. Copy, paste, reformat, export, re-upload. Sound familiar? Dead time. Broken workflow? Missed deadlines. Meanwhile, your competitors are quietly running multi-model, multi-version setups, generating content, narration, ads, podcasts, explainer videos, and client projects while you hit rate limits, token caps, and upgrade to use this version paywalls. So ask yourself, why force a modern business through a 2010 tool stack? Why keep paying hundreds every month for one app when there's a smarter way? That's why we built something radically different. something built for creators, freelancers, agencies, marketers, and entrepreneurs just like you. Introducing OneVoice AI breakthrough and never seen before. AI voice app lets you access all the world's leading AI voice models, current and upcoming versions, from one single dashboard. No juggling, no multiple subscriptions, no hidden fees. With OneVoice AI, you instantly get OpenAI TTS, Standard HD, Multilingual, Real-Time TTS, ElevenLabs Voice AI, Hyperrealistic, Multilingual Emotion-Rich Voices, Google Cloud Text-to-Speech, Neural and Studio Quality Voices, Amazon Poly, Conversational Long-Form IVR-Ready Voices, Resemble AI, Custom Brand Voice Cloning, DeepGram, Typecast, Voice.ai, Play.ht, UberDuck, Hugging Face, and more. All future versions included for free, meaning no monthly fees ever, and that's not all. Multi-language and multi-style support, create voices in any language or style. One-click export, MP3, WAV, studio-ready audio, DFY voice templates, podcasts, YouTube, Reels, ads, explainer videos, client project manager, separate folders for every brand or client, unlimited commercial rights, sell voiceovers, ads, and client projects freely, turbo voice mode, priority generation, faster results, lifetime updates included, no extra cost, ever. Beginner friendly, anyone can create professional voices in minutes. 24/7 priority support, live chat plus email, exclusive community access. Join a private group of creators and agencies. Instead of paying $500 a month, you pay one low one-time price. One dashboard, all voices, all models, unlimited possibilities. Imagine this. You log in, you type or paste your script, you choose the voice you want, click generate, and your project is done. High quality, professional, ready to use. No switching, no juggling, no subscriptions, no stress. Whether you're creating podcasts, YouTube videos, marketing ads, client voiceovers, or explainer videos, OneVoice AI handles it all. And right now, during this special launch event, you can get lifetime access to OneVoice AI for a tiny one-time payment. No subscriptions, no upsells, no locked features, just unlimited AI voices for life. That means no more paying $100 plus every month for multiple tools, no more bouncing between platforms or apps. One powerful dashboard that does it all, faster, better, smarter. But don't wait. This is a limited time offer, and once the launch ends, OneVoice AI may switch to a monthly pricing model or vanish entirely. Ask yourself, do you want to keep paying more for less? Or are you ready to upgrade to something built for your future? It's time to break free from outdated, overpriced, underperforming tools. It's time to unleash your AI voice advantage. It's time for OneVoice AI. Click the button below to grab your lifetime license now, and remember, you're covered by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. Zero risk, infinite potential, OneVoice AI built to speak. Powered by AI, designed for you. But please, don't close this page and think about it. Once we hit capacity, the doors close, and the price will never be this low again. If you're ready to work smarter, move faster, and create unlimited pro voices, click below and get started now.
Okay, let's talk about the funnel. You know there are always upgrades. Here's the breakdown of the OTO so you know what to expect. The front end is $14.95. That's what we just talked about. OTO 1 is the unlimited edition for $39. I highly recommend this one. It removes the limits on rendering and character counts. If you're making long YouTube videos, you need this. OTO 2 is the Pro edition for $49. This unlocks faster servers and more advanced features. OTO 3 is the Studio for $39. This gives you a built-in audio editor. OTO 4 is global languages for $39. Get this if you're targeting international markets. OTO 5 is the DFY Assets Vault for $49. This includes ready-made scripts and templates. OTO 6 is the agency license for $69. This lets you create accounts for your clients. Then you have OTO 7, which is a traffic engine, and OTO 8, which is the reseller license. My advice, start with the front end and the unlimited upgrade. That's the sweet spot for most marketers. I put this tool through my usual torture test. I took a script that I usually pay a professional voice actor for. I ran it through the ElevenLabs engine inside OneVoice AI. The result? I honestly could not tell the difference. The intonation, the pauses, and the emotion were spot on. It sounded human. It did not sound like a robot reading a dictionary. For a fraction of the cost, I got a result that converts. Now, I have to be honest with you. This tool is great, but it isn't magic. It won't write the script for you. If you put garbage text in, you will get a garbage voiceover out. You still need to know how to write good copy. Also, because there are so many options, it can be a little overwhelming at first. You have over 1,000 voices to choose from. My advice is to spend 20 minutes testing them and favorite the ones you like. Don't let the choices paralyze you. Imagine never having to worry about voiceover cost again. Imagine launching a new faceless YouTube channel tonight. You have the script, you have the video, and now you have the professional voice. That is the freedom this tool unlocks. You're getting enterprise-level tech for pennies, but you have to move fast. This low one-time price is strictly for the launch. Once the timer hits 0, it could go to a monthly subscription. Don't regret missing out on this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I answer every single one. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff reviews. Grab OneVoice AI using the link below to get my exclusive bonuses. This is Kamal from testedapps.com. I'll see you in the next video.